So we're being asked to solve the equation 3 halves x squared minus 6 equals 0. Okay, now we've seen this sort of thing before, and I suspect I'm like a lot of you. I look at this and I see that 3 halves and I don't particularly like that fraction there. So I'm going to multiply everything through by the common denominator between those terms, which in this case is just 2. There is only the one denominator. So now remember, this 2 gets distributed to everything. In an equation, it has to be distributed to everything or it doesn't work here. So 2 times 3 halves is 3, and then 3x squared. 2 times negative 6 will be negative 12. And then the 2 times the 0, thankfully, is 0. This is why having an equation equal to 0 is so useful. Now, I can do this a couple of different ways at this point here. But since the nature here of this problem is to solve these by factoring, I'll take out the common 3. And notice that what I'm getting here is this difference of squares. So this is going to become 3 times x minus 2, x plus 2 equals 0. And then I can take this that one step further and say that x is equal to positive 2 or x is equal to negative 2. Okay, because positive 2 will make this term equal to 0. It doesn't make this term equal to 0, but that's okay. As long as one of them is 0, then both sides are the same. This value here, negative 2, makes this term equal to 0, or this factor I should say equal to 0. Doesn't make this one equal to 0, but because one of them goes to 0, the whole thing is equal to 0. And so both of those numbers are good solutions to this problem.